The typical communities located in the Philippines during Spanish era are reborn in one of the most beautiful and nostalgic places in the town of Bagak, Bataan, called Las Casas Filipinas de Acuzar. At Las Casas Filipinas de Acuzar, the legacy of our forefathers and the beautiful Filipino traditions and culture live on. Being in this kind of place is a step back into the past, while living the age-old traditions and practices distinct to our culture, without living the luxury and comforts of the modern world. One of the fine beaches in Bagak, Bataan is Stella Maris. It has extensive and sparkling seashores surrounded by thick green trees. Shady picnic benches are suitably arranged. Facilities like comfort rooms and cottages are well maintained and ready to use. The warm welcome and hospitality of caretakers makes you want to come back.
Katagal tong yung resort?
Itong resort, under management na bago, magto 2 years na. 2 years na kami.
Yung dati po?
Pero yung dati, kasi ito, hindi naman to nung in-open agad as commercial. Private lang to dati. Tapos, siguro mga 2 taon din. So, mga 4 years.
Kayo po yung may-ari nito?
Hindi.
Secretary?
Secretary bookkeeper ako ng mismo may-ari.
Bakit po Stella Maris yun?
Stella Maris, kinuha kasi siya sa isang lugar sa Europe.
Wow.
Oo, hindi naman yan pangalan ng may-ari or ano. May isang place dun sa Europe na napuntahan yung si Ambassador na parang may grotto, tapos ang nakaano dun is yung Birhen sa Antipolo. Ang pangalan nga Stella Maris. So dun niya kinuha yung name ng Stella Maris.
Ate, marami na po bang yung pagbabago pong ginawa niyo dito? Renovation?
So far, meron din. Pero hindi naman ganun kalaki. Dahil existing na kasi yung mga cottages nito. Yung old management kasi ang silang nagawa ng mga cottages.
Bakit po hindi niyo po binabonggahan yung mga cottages?
Sa ngayon kasi medyo, sa laki kasi nito, medyo malaking pera ang kailangan. So far, hindi pa ganun kalaki ang aming fund para mag-renovate ng bonggang-bongga.
Perfect for family outings, picnics, camping trips, and other various activities. Don't forget one of its striking features is the dazzling panorama of the sunset every afternoon that catches the eye of the tourist that steps into it. And that's a wrap to the magical places in Bagak.